Welcome back to the channel. Now, Warmington statements continue to follow the JLP. Now, recently, Mr. Tufton stated that him and the administration would be considering new laws as it relates to voters, seeing what took place in the local government election after there was a recount at the St. Catherine Parish Court. Now, the people must say, what kind of new law? Or we not hear the state that talk about the 2-term for Prime Minister law. I want to hear the government a search for the illicit six, seeing that corruption and getting rid of corruption should be the state's focus. How come the state now look for the illicit six, where the Integrity Commission has already told the public exists? Now, we can hear from Tufton, and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Not see anything about discrepancy, and therefore we allowed the matter to go. So this is not an issue of sour grapes. It's not an issue of trying to override or overrule or undermine the democratic traditions that we believe in. And indeed, as Member of Parliament, it certainly is not an issue as to the strength and the secure position that Jamaica Labour Party is in the constituency of St. Catherine West Central. Indeed, when the absolute numbers are combined, we have won the municipal elections by some 2,000 or so votes, winning in 2 divisions by approximately 700 and another with approximately 500, rounding out the numbers. So we are secure in the belief that the people of West Central St. Catherine have given us the approval to represent them, and so far are supportive of the stewardship, certainly those who participated in the democratic process. So that's not the issue. The issue for us, as it relates to the Ginger Ridge Division, is that we do not have confidence in the outcome of these numbers, this particular process. And we remain very skeptical about the end results. And indeed, I may say, we are not confident that the will of the people through the majority vote.
Now, even from the speech, it seems as if the administration is very worried about what the local government election has shown them. They're showing that the people want change. They're showing that the people are not just content with hearing them say one thing and do something else. And that the people, even people that were supporters of them, are willing to support a different party to get that better Jamaica that Jamaicans are looking for. And if other members of parliament realize by now, since Mr. Warmington say what him say, since it started to circulate social media, since it become public knowledge, see that it was said in a public forum, a public space, him said upon campaign out in the open with a microphone, people are recording with phone. People are looking upon all members of the party, not just Warmington and the Prime Minister. Prime Minister, the Prime Minister wife, who is also a member of Parliament and a House Speaker. See it, Vaz forward out in him. And Vaz say, he don't like the statements of Warmington make. So much so that even Warmington had strong words for him in a parliament. And the people them still say, who is Vaz? If you say what him say, seeing that we have him own situations that were before the media. You know what I feel like that show me? So the people look upon the entire party. Some people go as far as to say, if Warmington or his statements had been said a day or 2 days before voting started for the local government election, the PMP would have won by a landslide. And to how close the race was, recount after recount, recount at Parish Court, Tufton want new law. If these statements had circulated days before, a day before, even a couple of hours before voting had started, maybe that alone would be enough for the opposition to win the local government election. People them tired of what going. The people must say, even just making jokes, any type of statement that can be misconstrued or misquoted or misinterpreted or anything where people can say, that sound like corruption. That sound like people say, them now, help and support from the state just because of political affiliation. And that more than not look good. That not sound good. It not sound ethical. And then now, for years, the only reason it was suggested that Mr. Warmington not stay is that how it would be viewed by citizens. That's what him say. Now, Mr. Warmington say never meet it in the way or the people perceived it. Or people that read into it. And the real way him did mean. Him also point out, say, him not have the powers for really do that. What him that talk about. But the thing is, the people them hear him say it. And one thing if him can do it or did do it or would do it. But the fact that people hear him say it, that was enough for people to say, boy, no. They don't like how that sound, they don't like how that go. And fear that the administration is divided upon what should have been done. That for sure say even within the party, people have different views. Is there also a situation where the direction the party is going in is not the direction where every member of the party wanted to go? Seeing that the party has a leader. But clearly, before the statements of Warmington, supporters of the administration, the wholeness-led administration, had started to support the opposition. Now, after the statements, I don't know if they even want to do a poll right now. If so much people is still in support of the administration after local government elections and after Everald Warmington statement, it might show us a large percentage in support of the opposition. Which is why I feel like the party got to take the time for work on its relations with the people before it even think about the general election. Warmington saying, as a matter of fact, him did it for help out the Prime Minister with, things that are pertain to, general elections. That's what I mean, say. Every speech and statement made by the Prime Minister will be heavily looked into. And the people them already do that now. Recently the Prime Minister said the aim is to make sure that the government is not a burden on taxpayers by building up the economy. The people must say, well, the state did have to say that after giving parliamentarians an increase, they must have think about if that increase are going to be a burden on taxpayer dollars. Because they're not talking about the money for fix road and the money for do certain things. We're talking about money for just pay elected officials. That money they increase. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And if you're new to the channel, just pass through. Click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share and tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section 24/7, it never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned until the reason again. And a quick recap. It seems as if Warmington statements is causing trouble for even Tufton after his recent calls for new laws. And the reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.